One player whose age doesn't define his potential. One player who defeated the toughest times, and he is right now world number 1 in BWF rankings. I'm talking about Chou Tin Chen. Man, he is one of the greatest players. There is player like Lee Chong Wei, there is player like Momota, there is player like Lin Dan, Victor Axelsen, and there is player like Chou Tin Chen, who is literally saying the world that I will never give up. I will give my 10,000%. I will perform continuously. I will win tournaments. I will go into finals. If I don't win tournaments, I will give my 10,000% on court each and every tournament. 1 week after 1 week, when youngsters 20, 21, 22 years old players think like, I'm tired, I will not perform in this tournament, I will be participating in Super 750 after 1 month. I want some space, I want some time. And then comes a player like Chou Tin Chen, 35 years old, performing from last 1 month each and every tournament, winning some crazy matches. He is not that player who will get defeated in round of 32, round of 16. He will perform. He will go into semi-finals or even finals too. No matter how many words I will say about Chou Tin Chen, he is a legend for me. He is one of the players who will top my list in my favorite players in men's singles. He will top that list, and he deserves everything. So with 74,915 points, Chou Tin Chen is world number 1 right now, defeating Li Shifeng, who won Hong Kong Open, defeating Shi Yuqi, who won World Championships gold medalist, and Kunlaut Wittedsan. I think so Li Shifeng or Shi Yuqi will do a comeback, but what I think is that if Chou Tin Chen goes into semis or finals, he will get much more points here. So what is my perspective related to Chou Tin Chen and what I think about him is in Olympics 2028. I am thinking that he has the potential. He is performing as crazy good level, and what I am thinking is that he may be thinking about Olympics. Chou Tin Chen deserves this ranking, and Chou Tin Chen has earned this point. There are some players in this world who gain points after participating in tournaments and getting defeated in round of 32, round of 16, and there is Chou Tin Chen, who goes continuously into quarterfinals, semi-finals, and gives some of the crazy good matches and then earn the points. This is type of player we need in world badminton right now. There was a time when there was Lee Chong Wei, Chen Long, Lin Dan, Victor Axelsen. I know Victor Axelsen is playing currently too, but at that time there was multiple players who used to perform at crazy good level. There was no players like who only comes to participate in round of 32 or round of 16. There was multiple players who participate and performs too. And in current badminton, there are players like Chou Tin Chen who are performing continuously, who are winning continuously. So what are your views regarding Chou Tin Chen? Just comment down below. See you in next video. Bye bye.